Hi. So this is an embryo transfer video which you are going to see. So I'll tell you the brief history of this patient. The husband is 40 years old and the wife is 31 years old. So the couple came to us. The 7 parameters of the husband was azoospermia and he had bilateral grade 3 varicocele. So we had treated the varicocele and followed by that what we had got is he had got around 10.5 million of sperms with 8% motility. So as the IUI procedure was not possible for them, they came for the ICSI. You can see we had done the ICSI and the embryos were developed nicely for them. And today we are doing this embryo transfer in this video, so you can see how the process is done. So we hope for them to get the best result of fathering their own child. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.